can't forget my grip tape. No, it's still beautiful. Let's get in there. I like this. It's got some good concave. I think that's gonna be nice. They kept one ply of OG wood on the bottom, so I'm not too worried about the pop feeling different. You wanna hold it?
Yeah, I wanna touch it. Bro, it's so cool.
You wanna be on?
No.
That's the shot. Oh man, this is so sick.
Yeah, tell it cool.
I wish
tape for it?
I had clear grip for it. I ended up using it on this because this grip was so cheap. This is the second grip tape I've had on my chocolate board. Yeah.
They got black grip?
So I got some black grip for it. I think it's Mob. Yeah, I got some Mob grip. I saved this. I don't know, I think maybe like 9 months. Oh, faithful. going from a 925 to an 838. Twin tail shaped board. I wanted this to be a twin tail, but chocolate was on short supply. I waited about 6 months for this board. And you know what? It was worth the wait. Feels special. Seems like Lithe had shipping problems, but I think a lot of companies did this year, so definitely we'll come back and see if this is a worth it board. It was about 110 bucks to the door, and they also forgot my grip tape.
Go, you can do it.
But we'll see if we can sort that out. As long as you got the grip.
You got this.
Let's go skate. It feels nice.
Pop is weird on it, right? It's hard to get a little pop.
I think it's because the wheelbase is longer. The wheelbase is like almost, I think it's like 14 and a half. Feels stable. Well, thanks. Appreciate it.
That was nice of you. top of my foot is fucking killing me.
All right, final thoughts on the Fresh Nex 8.38. It's weird changing boards all the time, but going from a shaped wide 925 down to an 838 twin, it only helped. I felt like it did a good job of doing what I think they set out to do, which was making it more durable, maybe a little bit more flex forgiving. I noticed I could really sit and not bounce, but on my fakey disasters, they hug it nice. It doesn't feel like I'm slapping a brick like the chocolate board did. The chocolate board did feel good, and I loved that all year. Skated that for about 6 months. But the next board, I'm shooting to make it last a year, trying to skate more. It's a great board. It's a great board overall. I'm gonna hit the rail with it. The mini ramp, I feel like that's the true test. If you feel comfy on the mini ramp and you can go fast on it, that's kind of my favorite way to skate. If you like skating that way too, subscribe. If you like anything metaphysical, entrepreneurial, or financial, come and subscribe. We're gonna go on the journey to sagehood together. I've been feeling inspired, and I think it's important to share that journey with everyone in whatever format you choose in your line of work or actionables that you do, because I don't call this work anymore. This is really fun. Have a blessed.
Yo, I did the front and then the back just went.
Bro, the wheel gets stuck.
Is that what happened to you?
The killer crack right there.